We are pleased to show you the 2022 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.